Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Aetna member portal account, step-by-step guide step-by-step clearly. To register your Aetna member portal account, begin by visiting the Aetna website. Look for the option that says Member Login or Register. Click on the Register button to start the process. You will be directed to a new page with registration options. Enter your personal information as requested. This typically includes your name, date of birth, and member ID number. Make sure to enter your member ID accurately, as it is crucial for your registration. Next, you'll need to create a username. Choose a username that is easy for you to remember but secure. Then, create a password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements provided. After entering your password, you will usually need to confirm it. Re-enter your password in the confirmation field for accuracy. When all fields are filled out, review the information for correctness. Once verified, look for the Continue or Next button and click on it. You may now be asked to answer security questions. Select questions that are memorable for you. Answer them accurately, as they will help you recover your account. After completing the security questions, proceed to the next step. At this point, you may receive an email verification request. Check your email for a message from Aetna. Follow the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, you will return to the Aetna member portal. Log in with your newly created username and password. You have successfully registered your Aetna member portal account. Now you can explore your benefits and manage your healthcare plans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.